Okay, this is kind of impromptu, but I'm just changing the filters on my car, air filters. And I needed like an inspection camera to reach in. And I happen to have a DJI Nano. It's got Wi-Fi. And I thought, well, maybe I can get a look in using it, because I can't get my head up in this little confined space and look up through this little opening right here. I'm going to get a flashlight to show you. There you can see the camera. This little camera in my hand is streaming Wi-Fi to the DJI app on my phone. So this is me with the camera, as you can see here. So all we're going to do is take and put this flashlight under the camera like so. Excuse me. And then with a single hand, I'll carry this entire thing over and I can look inside. Oh. So it looks like I don't need to vacuum out. I should clean the coils with a coil cleaner, so I'll do that. But this was impossible for me to do easily. And with this little camera, it's also a little wireless proxy device. So if you're looking for an excuse to buy one of these things, this is yet another use for them, in addition to being a camera. Super handy.